I have been personally monitoring the PMGSY work in the last 3 years myself. And the reason why is because when I was Member of Parliament, I have seen all the reports in the Disha meetings on how the implementation has been very bad in the state of Meghalaya. And therefore, keeping that factor in mind, I decided that we will ensure that we ensure when we get a chance to be in the government that we will monitor this. So I have been monitoring it myself. We have an online monitoring system. And from day one of monitoring these projects, we have seen a large improvement in the overall implementation of the projects. And that is why Government of India has also increased its funding to Meghalaya by a large extent. Now, in the process, there have been many projects, that actually just stood still. Many contractors have abandoned the work. And in a systematic manner, many of them have been blacklisted. And I can assure you that in the future also we will continue to blacklist all people who are abandoning the work and not moving forward. If it has been done in a manner that is not acceptable through the system, then we will take necessary action. So therefore, we are very clear that these kind of projects and people who are abandoning these kind of works and who are not doing good quality work will be blacklisted. I don't have the exact number with me, but maybe in the next session, next week's thing I can give you. That are from 2001, you won't believe it. And that is the reason why when I had the first meeting with the Rural Development Minister at that time, he was very upset. Then I had to remind him that we just took over about 2 months back. And then he cooled down and then he gave me a time frame saying that, well, okay, you finish this within this period of time and then we'll give you more. And we did it. And I'll give you details about PMGSY also. We have, as I said, we have blacklisted a large number of contractors. Well, we'll give the details to you next week.